One thing is to build an app or a web app. Another thing is to drive installations or signups to your app or web app. So I'm going to be recommending 6 ways you can drive installation or signups to your app. One, user generated content. So majority of your app is being built for users. So if users can talk about your app, use your app, and also send content to you about them doing it, that is one of the best ways to attract new signups to your app or new installs to your app. Two, offer a freemium. So what does this mean? Most people, when they build the app, their pricing model may consist of paid plans or free plans. So if you want to drive installs, sometimes it's advisable to have a freemium plan where people can get to use your app, go around, see what it does, and at the end of the day, if they need to pay, they pay, but if they don't need to pay, that's very nice. So freemium is a nice way to drive installs to your app or web app. 3, user reviews. User reviews is very, very important. Imagine like when you build your app, you have like 10 to 20 persons that have used your app, and you can put this on your landing page or during your promotions. You can use it to tell people, okay, these are what people are saying about the app. So anytime you have new users sign up to your app, it is very, very important to tell them to leave a reviews. This would help you on the long run. 4, engage in communities. If you're building an app, you obviously would have a community or a set of target audience, so you can find where these guys stay online or where they frequently visit. So you can post tips, anything you can use to attract them. So if your app has any form of educational content, you can put it up there. You can use your social media handle to do that or create your own community for your app. Number 5, paid promotions. Obviously, this is one of the fastest ways to get installs and signups, but it's not as easy as you think. So one thing you can do is run an Instagram ads, Facebook ads, so wherever you find your target audience. They can be on LinkedIn, they can be on Twitter. We run those ads to drive installs, and you can use this for a long while and test what works and improve on the ads as your business grows. So the last but not the least, number 6, you can offer discounts. So during the process of building your app, you can have a list of people that maybe would be on your wait list and tell them that, okay, to offer or to get some certain things in the app, I'm going to give you guys a discount because you've been loyal customers. So you can find different ways to give discounts to your customers. Even if you're having an app like an e-commerce app, you can actually do that. This will drive people to make use of the app, which translates to installs or sign-ups and the rest. So discount is a very, very good way. So all these things I've listed can help you drive installs to your app. So I hope this was helpful, and if you have any questions, you can always leave them in the comment section.